What's up guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom, and the successor for the Oneplus BUDS Pro, it's coming in the form of BUDS Pro 2 and it has been leaked, and also we have its launch date when you can expect the launch of this earphones, and not only that, about its specifications and feature. So if you are new here, then do consider subscribing to our channel Tech Phantom and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from us. So let's get started. So the Oneplus BUDS Pro were the flagship earbuds from the company in July 2021, and they are extended its TWS market with the BUDS Pro 2. Now, it has been revealed by the leakster Mukul Sharma that the certification of these earbuds have been done, and not only that, we can expect this buds to be launching as early as January 2023. Well, apart from that, what is also being known right now about this earbuds is its specifications and the features. Now, it will retain the in-ear design from its predecessor, and it will also come with a stem which we have seen in the previous generation of these earbuds, and it will also be having a silicon tips too. Well, the upcoming audio product will also be having a feature a 11mm and a 6mm of dual audio drivers for better sound quality. Well, as per the most of the flagship TWS earbuds, it will also be coming with the active noise cancellation, or we also known as ANC, and it can do adaptive noise cancellation up to 45 decibels. Well, what we also have known about this earbuds is that it will adjust the noise cancellation intensity based on the ambient noise automatically. So it is again a pro with this earbuds. And what we also know about this earbuds is that it will be coming with 3 microphones for better voice calls when compared to the last generation's BUDS Pro. Well, the BUDS Pro will also support the spatial audio support with LHDC 4.0 audio codec, and as per the leaks, it is also being said that the battery capacity is going to be increasing and it will be coming with 38 hours of battery life, and that's subjective because this battery life for 38 hours is going to be without ANC enabled. With ANC, the battery life is going to be around 22 hours, and it will support Type-C super fast charging and as well as the wireless charging in this earbuds. Now, the price is expected to be around 10,000 rupees in Indian market, or you can convert this pricing in your other market as per the conversion rates. And if you like this video, then do consider subscribing to our channel Tech Phantom and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the very next one.